Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V5, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen like this, and then find the power saving mode like this one right over here, and click on it. First time around, it will give you this pop-up power saving mode. Dark mode will be enabled, always on display. Auto sync and some other functions will be turned off. Background app activity will be restricted, and visual effects will be reduced. Now, we do probably want to check the box right here, don't remind me again, and you can click on enable. So from now on, it's going to be saving power. And once you're done using it, you can find this toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. And also while you're here, you can turn off things like NFC if you don't use that. This will also give you a little bit of better battery life, though don't expect any kind of like significant improvements, but it's still going to be getting you maybe a couple extra minutes of battery life. So that's one thing. I also want to point out with the power saving mode, one of the things that it mentioned was the auto syncing. Now what that refers to is your Wi-Fi and mobile data, which it will disconnect from when you're not using the device to preserve battery life. Now there are two options. Either it reconnects every so often to check if it's missing some kind of notifications that require internet connection, or it doesn't till you wake up the device. So just be aware of that, as this obviously will be one thing that you might actually need notifications being delivered to you on time. This is usually power saving mode, messing things up. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.